small place, no problem. Big heart. Huh? Where's your son? Good?
Okay. He's in London now.
Huh?
London.
London.
Can this light be turned on? It will give more light. The switch is there. Maybe it needs plugging in.
Janardhan, how are you? Good?
Okay.
Put the Thakurji Gopal inside you, otherwise it will be...
Yes. It's risky, isn't it?
It should join.
Okay.
I got Are you going to play that? I didn't know you could play that.
It's just in front of me.
Who is playing Milda? Yeah.
Him. You can get
You
that
good?
harmonium here.
Are you going lithium?
Are you going to play that?
I think so.
No,
I didn't buy that tonight.
Huh?
I think I'll go.
You bought a ticket or not yet? So when will go?
I'll go.
You're
I'll
Marcy.
buy. I'll buy. I'll buy.
Gurudev Marcy is going.
You play harmonium. That's a bit good.
I can't play. Who can play?
Who is playing
No one can
harmonium?
play.
I did not learn yet.
I can play when I sing, but if somebody else is singing,
Yeah, you can play.
Do you want it?
do you want me to sing? Shall I do it?
Yeah, you can sing. You can play harmonium?
I cannot play when somebody else is singing, but
When he
I'm
sings
singing,
He's singing and playing.
Okay, okay, good play. तो लंदन से कौन कौन है आपके साथ?
ये और
She went to check on car.
Oh.
Need to put coin inside meter.
ऐसे ही रुक रहा है. I'm into like चार आदमी.
She went to check the meter. Out for free?
No, she'll be back soon then. Buraksh. Burakshas.
Rudrak.
Rakshas.
Kyle Radhamani.
Yeah, yeah.
He's just told me to do that. Jaya Radha
Gita Granth. कहाँ है? ले आओ यार। अच्छा बेटा। अच्छा, you can speak. What?
Stand up.
Huh? You other people cannot see too. Huh? Take it. Go.
Hare Krishna. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, what?
Om Gyanatimirandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So first of all, before speaking, I offer anointed pranam in lotus feet of Guru Padma Maniti Leela Pravishta Om Vishnupada Stotra Sada Shri Srimad Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj Srila Gurudev in lotus feet of all our Gaudiya Guru Rupanugu Guru Varga and to Sripad Bad Maharaj, to all Vaishnavas, Vaishnavis, guests, thank you everyone for coming. So Maharaj ordered me to speak for 2 minutes, nobody wants to hear me speak, so hear Maharaj speak. So only 2 minutes. So on behalf of everybody, I think I'd like to say thank you so much for Maharaj taking so much endeavour to come all the way to this place known as Brighton. He travelled for how long? 6 hours today from Wales, which is such a long drive, and he's still very fresh and energetic to speak to everybody and share transcendental knowledge with everybody. So just quickly, it's said in our scriptures, Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Sastra Koi, Lavamatra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi Hoy. It said that just lavamatra, just a 1/12 of a second of association with a sadhu can bring about all perfection in life. This sarva siddhi hoy can bring about all perfections. So who is a sadhu? Because when we hear the word sadhu, maybe some of us think, we've been to India, maybe we've seen, dreadlocks and big tilak and big chillum, and we imagine sadhu is like that. But what is actually the meaning of sadhu? Sadhu means one who knows the sadhana and sadhya. So one meaning of sadhu is like this. So sadhana means that person who knows the spiritual practice. So there are many types of spiritual practice that we hear of in this world, especially in Kali Yuga. So many things are happening. But the real genuine sadhu, he knows the actual practice to bring about the perfection of the living entity. So he also knows the sadhya, which it means the goal of human life. So my Gurudev used to say that everybody within this world, they are looking for happiness or contentment or to not suffer. So Gurudev used to explain that what is this happiness? Because we've been wandering within this material existence for many lifetimes. It's explained, Brahmanda Brahmite Kon Bhagavanaji, Guru Krishna Prashade Pai, Bhakti Lata Bij, that Brahmanda, we've been going around this universe, so many births, sometimes in the higher planetary systems, sometimes in lower planets, sometimes in this earth planet, sometimes in animal body, plant, insect, worm, germ, human, so many lifetimes. So when we achieve this human form of life, that is the most auspicious time to attain perfection. That perfection means to become spiritually perfect. It doesn't mean to become materially perfect, where we have everything within this material world, nice house, nice car, so much money, so much opulence. Actually, this is not perfection, even though society tells us that this is what perfection is. Perfection is to understand ourselves, who we are spiritually, and our eternal relationship with God through love. And how can we understand more about that? Because it's a very deep subject matter. We approach the lotus feet of sadhu. So I beg everybody to take advantage of Maharaj's association, because like it says in the verse, just 1/12 of a second, which is the time it takes the eye to blink, that is enough association with a bona fide sadhu to bring about all perfection in our lives. So it's very auspicious for everybody. Even if we've been in this movement 20, 30, 40 years, still the time is now to take advantage of that association. So I'll be quiet now. Thank you, Raj, for asking me to speak. Van Chakov, Trubius Chak,
Thank you. Ananga Mohan. Okay, thank you. Your house program. Bolo.
यहाँ खड़े हैं
Hari, thank you. खड़े हो जाओ.
I'd like to offer my unlimited and pranams in the lotus feet of my spiritual master and the Krishna Shri Separation Bhaktivedanta Nayana Shri Bhaktivedanta Bhamu Goswami Bhaktivedanta Trika Maharaj to Shri Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Shri Gogovinda Maharaj, and all our Rupanuga Guru Acharya, all the way in line to Shri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God. I do offer my respectful obeisances to Shri Bhagavan Maharaj for blessing this house and this home, and for my obeisances to all the devotees here, Vaishnavas, my god brothers, god sisters, friends, family and relatives, everyone nicely together and fitting into like Sudarva Sabha, like Krishna's assembly house in Dwarka, as many people as he wants. The assembly house just increases and fits everybody in. Really, it's the generosity of the heart, really, that's we hope to welcome Srila Maharaj with, and the love and affection that he has given us, that we'd like to reciprocate with his care, his kindness, his gentleness, and also his chastisement many times. Appreciated. That relationship between a disciple and guru is one that the guru is obliged to give chastisement and not only praise, because the student, the disciple, he needs to learn, he needs to be corrected, and so with all humility the disciple should accept that chastisement. And if the guru does not chastise, then he is not a guru, he's not a real guru, because he's only full of flattery and false words or false promises. So I know Srila Maharaj for nearly 20 years now or more, and he's like a family member, and also he's the dear disciple of my Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, who is the dear disciple of Srila Bhaktivedanta A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, his beloved friend and his Shiksha Guru, which is a very important relationship which connects us to the global society, the international society of Krishna consciousness, which is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's society, because all the disciples of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, they all are dearly dedicated to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is promoting this Harinam Sankirtan, this chanting of the holy names, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And it's a very important point that Srila Narayan Maharaj, when he started to travel in the West in 1996, that he spent the first 3-4 days glorifying Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, because they had a long-lasting relationship, and they helped each other in the, which has a very deep and important meaning. It is not apparent, it is not present in any of the 4 Vaishnava Sampradayas, except this Brahma Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya, which has this specific relationship with the divine goddess Srimati Radhika. And that is the importance of this Sampradaya, that she is the highest servitor, she is the personification of the highest love and devotion to Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And without her sanction and without her blessings, we cannot get to that service, that beautiful service mood that she has to him. And we want to drop and sprinkle of that, and that is what our divine spiritual masters in our line have been giving to us up to now. And Srila Bhaktivedanta Bon Maharaj is carrying on that tradition of tirelessly and endlessly preaching for the last 22 years. Since 1997, through the instructions of his spiritual master. that is very significant because I was thinking Srila Swami Maharaj was 64, 65 years old when he left India to preach, and he preached for 13 or 14 years. He traveled around the world. He left us in 1977. And Srila Bhaktivedanta Maharaj, he started his preaching in 1996, some years later, and continued till 2010, which is some 14 years. And Srila Maharaj has been doing that for 22 years around the world, tireless. Wherever he lays his heart, so to speak, is his home. And he, 2 or 3 days later, he moves on, travels many times on his own, and adjusting to different diets, different temperatures, different climates, different types of water, different cooks, different air. And it's just a very difficult...
Different people over here.
Sorry?
Different people.
Different people. Right? So it's just to spread his love, just to share that love, to share that message is his life's dedication. And this is quite admirable and worth supporting and worth taking part in. Actually, it's because we're here for that reason. We're here to have some spiritual charge, to some spiritual sharing of realizations, and of course he's experiencing that for his dedication to his spiritual master for so many years, some 30 years he has been with him, and to take advantage of that, that's what we're here for, to hear. And we were speaking about Sadhu Sangha, and he was speaking about Sadhu Sangha this morning, defining Sadhu Sangha as hearing, association with the sadhu, the spiritual master associating with the devotee, is to hear Harikatha. That is the association. It may take many years of hearing, little drops of hearing, because our impressions from previous lives have been so embedded in us that our habits are difficult to change. And to change somebody's habits is a wonderful thing. So from bad habits to good habits. You know how difficult it is with your own children. If you have children, you know that to get them to do something that is good for them, it's very, very difficult, even if they're your own blood and kin. So to get people who are not related with you in any way at all is even more challenging. But he's able to do that, like Swami Maharaj did. He's changed all the hippies into happies. You know, it says, what is your magic? One interviewer asked him, what magic can you perform like other yogis? He said, you can see here, this magic is that they've stopped drinking, they've stopped illicit relationships, they've stopped gambling, they've stopped intoxication, this is the magic. And now they're shaved and they're chanting God's name. What more can you want in this world? You know, that people would take to that path, which is a wonderful thing, a wonderful change. It's actually in our Shastras explained that it's actually the beginning of human life when one is interested or becomes interested in inquiring about the meaning of life. What am I here for? What is my goal? There is a purpose, there's a meaning, because I've been created so wonderfully and so perfectly. There must be a reason. There must be a creator. There must be a purpose to what I should be doing, how I should be spending my energy, how I should be spending my time in trying to find that out. And that is the beginning of life. So we're very fortunate to have Sri Prabhupada Maharaj to carry on that tradition and help us and guide us through that journey. And so we take advantage of his words by listening to them.
Just couple of seconds. Chant Lord's holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare गंधर्विकाग्रधारी श्री राधा विनोद विहारी जीव की जय। जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय। जय नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाथ भक्ति वेदांत श्रील वामन गोसाई महाराज की जय। जय नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाथ भक्ति वेदांत श्रील नारायण गोसाई महाराज की जय। जय नित्य लीला विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोसाई महाराज की जय। वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की जय। जय नित्य लीला विष्णु गुरु गोसाई महाराज की जय। जय भक्ति गोसाई महाराज की जय। जय नित्य लीला भक्ति भारती गोसाई महाराज की जय। भारती गोसाई महाराज की रूपान गुरुवर्ग की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। वेद गौर भक्त बिंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मृतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कान्त राधा कान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरे प्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रियायै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीनापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मिताश्रयं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्र ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हनुमान आगे आ जाए, इस मृदंग को पीछे कर दो, मेरे का बिस्तर पर रख दो, इधर बैठ, सामने बैठ। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya-lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam lotus feet of Nitya Leela, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhak, Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and present all of my respectful guests. So just I want to speak few words. Because when I arrived in UK, that was very super excellent auspicious day, Ekadashi Tithi. Also I glorified that Ekadashi Katha. Then Nrsimha Chaturdashi, Lord Nrsimhadev appearance 2 days or 3 days, I spoke about the glorification of Lord Nrsimhadev, Prahlad Katha. Then coming Madhavendra Puripad, appearance day, 2 days or 3 days, also I glorified about Madhavendra Puripad Katha. It's very important in our Guru Parampara. Disciplic succession. Madhavendra Puripad. And Chaitanya Chaitamritam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also told, he is called a sprout of the prem of Srimati Radhika. First Pratham Premankur. Because Madhavendra Puripad, he uttered one specific verse that mood first manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika, then same mood manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad, then that sprout and more mature and coming in the heart of Isar Puripad. Then Isar Puripad, he gave that the prem in the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that prem he offered to Rupa Goswami Pad. Then Rupa Goswami Pad gave to Raghunath Das Goswami, Jiva Goswami Pad. Then also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, then Narottam Samananda Srinivas. Then Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Saraswati Prabhupada, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj. In this way, that prem manifested in this material world. That's the highest prem. Oidino Dayadra Natha Mathura Natha Koda Volukas. This prem. General people, they can understand what is the deep meaning about this verse. That is called the Mathuri Viraha Katar. That means Mathuri Viraha Katar means when Krishna left Vrindavan and came in Mathura. And that time all Brajavasis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. And especially Srimati Radhika, her transcendental madness, very high level. That is called Dibba Unmad Dasa. Transcendental madness. And Uddhav, when he came in Vrindavan and he saw Brajavasis, their prem. But when Uddhav he saw Srimati Radhika's transcendental madness, Dibba Unmad Dasa, then he became very surprised. Mahisu Opi Sudurlabham. Uddhav he told, these types of prem not possible manifested in the heart of the queens of Dwarka. And Rukmini, Satyabhama, they are always staying with Krishna. And what kinds of prem? Who can explain or who can know these things? Not so possible. As Sukdev Goswami Pad in Srimad Bhagavatam, just 10 slokas he explained, 10 verses he explained Srimati Radhika's transcendental madness, Dibba Unmad Dasa. That is called the song of the bumblebee. Brahmar Git. Very nice, beautiful. Then all our acharyas, especially Rupa Goswami Pad, Sanatana Goswami Pad, then Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, in their commentary, very nicely and elaborately explain what is the mood of Srimati Radhika towards Krishna. The last limit, the prem of Srimati Radhika. What kinds of prem? That is called Sneha Man Pranay Rag Unurag Bhav Mahabhav, then Ruda Udhuda Mohan Madan and Madanakha Mahabhav. That Madanakha Mahabhav only manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. And for this regard, Krishna could not realize that Prem Madanukha Mahabhav in Krishna Lila. Then Krishna again he appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sachinandana Gaur Hari. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu something he realized in Gambhira Jagannath Puri with Sarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda. That things also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very vividly explained in Chaitanya Charitamrita. And that types of prem Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indiscriminately distributed to everybody. Just the sprinkle mood of prem of Srimati Radhika. What can it? For this Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote in his Vidagdha Madhav Natakam, the glorification of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's, what is it called?
Magnanimity. Magnanimity and munificence.
Magnificent. Udarjamay Bhagavan Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Attutarja. Ati Udar.
Generous.
Is how he is generous. He did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. Especially in this Kali Yuga, all the conditioned soul they completely contaminate with Maya. Kalur dosani de Rajanu. Sukdev Goswami Pad told Parikshit Maharaj, in this Kali Yuga, all the conditioned souls they are completely unqualified, wretched, fallen. So many faults. Very fallen. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this Kali Yuga, he distributed this prem to everybody, highest prem. And some people they also saying why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he distributed this highest prem to the conditional soul in this Kali Yuga. Why? Question is coming. Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Yugas, that people they have many qualifications. They perform many hard austerities. There are many qualifications.
Long life.
And they had also long life. And Sattva Yugas people, how long they lived?
100,000.
100,000. Then 10 omit. How many?
10,000.
10,000. Then
next year.
Next Treta Yuga. Treta Yuga people they lived how many years? 10,000. Then another 0 you omit. Then coming how much?
1,000.
1,000. And that is called
Dwapar
Yuga. Or Kali Yuga another 0
take off.
take out.
100.
How many? 100 years.
Average.
For these 100 years, also many kinds of distress, unhappiness coming. Understand these things. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he gave very nice statements. Within 100 years, what you are doing? 50 years we are sleeping. He explained this very nice. 20 years we are completely enjoying many kinds of sense gratifications. At 20 years to absorb, to acquire many kinds of knowledge. So how many? 90 years. At 10 years what will do? Marry, build house, and collect money, this. How possible to collect the spiritual things? Nothing. And this Kali Yuga also, people they completely contaminated with Maya. Because their mind completely contaminated with lust, anger, enviousness, jealousy, their love, puja, pratishtha, name, fame, reputation, and also lust, anger, enviousness. What is the good qualification of Kali Yuga? Kali Yuga is no good qualifications. And living, especially human being, they completely stupid nonsense rascal also. They don't want to acquire any spirituality.
Knowledge.
No, they don't want. Or if they want to go to become Advaitavadi, impartialist. You can see. Most of the people, they like Sankara philosophy. And if they study the spirituality, they like what things? Aham brahmasmi pragyanam brahma Sarvam Khalidam Brahma
Tatvamasi.
Tattvamasi. There they going. 99.9 people they want this Sankara philosophy. And very few percent they will come to in our Krishna consciousness, especially in this line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indiscriminately distribute this prem to everybody. Look this. So for this regard, for the Rupa Goswami Pad, he composed one verse. Anarpita charing shirad karuna avatirna kalu samarpayatu unnatu jalasang savakti siyam harihi purna sundar kadamba sundir pita sada hidaya kandari spuratu bhava sachinam. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed this prem. Just I mentioned this. Look. Actually this prem is coming from Srimati Radhika to Madhavendra Puripad, Madhavendra Puripad to Ishwar Puripad, Ishwar Puripad to from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he giving this prem. This is called our Guru Parampara. In coming this. So few days I also explain and glorify about Madhavendra Puripad Katha. Very nice video. Then also one Katha I did not speak. Just I remembering today I can speak something about also very important in our Gaudiya Sampradayas and Thakur. Three Devata. Gaudiya Teen Thakur. You understand? Gaudiya Teen Thakur. Teen means three. Thakur means deities. Who is our Gaudiya three deities? Who are they? Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. Very carefully listen. That is called Gaudiya Teen Thakur. Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. In Teen Thakur, Gaudiya re Koriya che Atmasat. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. This is called Gaudiya Teen Thakur. Three deities.
Predominant.
They are predominant. क्या बोलते हैं?
Main deities of
Deities of Gaudiya Vaishnava. And Govind, Madan Mohan, he is called our Samandha Adhisthatri Devata, presiding deity of relationship. Samandha Adhisthatri Devata. Or Govinda Dev, he is called the presiding deities of Ovidya Adhisthatri Devata, presiding deities of Ovidya. Ovidya means process, how to attend to Lord, that is called bhakti. Or Gopinath is Prajanta Adhisthatri Devata, presiding deities of our goal. Look at this. Without taking shelter of three devatas, Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan, any method, you cannot to develop your bhajan and sadhana. So for this regard, Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj explained Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan, Gaudiya Teen Thakur, Koriya che Atmasat. Gaudiya means this. Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. Samandha, Avidya and Prayojan Tattva. This thing. Actually, this Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan, these three deities manifested by what is called Krishna's great grandson. What is his name?
Brajnana.
Vajranath. Not Bhajanath. Vajranath. Understand? Krishna's great grandson, Vajranath, and he manifested three deities, Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. Very nice, beautiful deities, these things. And because Vajranath, he did not see to Krishna, but he met with Mother Uttara. Mother Uttara means the mother of Parikshit Maharaj. And then Vajranath, he asked to Mother Uttara, how was the form of Krishna? Just Mother Uttara, she gave some instruction. Then Vajranath, he manifested, but that when he manifested that Vigraha, this Vigraha is not complete. That means as it as Krishna. But Krishna's feet is as it is, Hubahu. So for this regard, that deity's name, he gave, what is his name? It is called Madan Mohan. Madan Mohan, that is called Samandha Adhisthatri Devata. And bhakti coming from her feet. Understand? For the name, his name is called Samandha also. Samandha Tatta. So then Vajranath again he manifested another Vigraha. Then Mother Uttara, she told, oh, the Vigraha, it looked like Krishna's very nice, beautiful face. Then he gave Thakurji's name, Govinda Dev. Then again Vajranath, he manifested another Vigraha, and then he told, oh, this Vigraha and chest as like Krishna. Then he gave that Thakurji's name, Gopinath. And so now our three Vigrahas, Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. There is Samandha, Abhidya and Prayojan Tattva. These things. But by the causeless mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he manifested three deities in one. That is called Radharaman. Actually, Radharaman actually self-manifested. That is called Swayambhu. What did he say? Swayambhu means self-manifest Vigraha. Understand? Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan manifested by some, what is called? Sculpture. But what is called? Radharaman, that is self-manifested. Very nice, beautiful. For this, some Vaishnava, actual this Radharaman, actually called Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. Govinda and Gopinath and Madan Mohan, that is called here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Some Vaishnavas very nicely and deeply analyze who is Radharaman. Actually, Radharaman is not different from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Actually, this katha is coming very beautiful because the relation with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Jagannath Puri. Then he delivered Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled South India. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came one very nice, beautiful temple. What is your temple name? Srirangam. Ranganath Puri, the Ranganath Thakurji, Mahaprabhu was chanting, dancing and singing. Then all the visitors become very surprised when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced in front of Thakurji. And that time, all the visitors, they become very surprised because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very beautiful form. Tapta Kanchana Gauranga. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very, what is called, tallest form. Understand this thing? And so much effulgence coming from the body of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sannyas based and dancing, singing. Then all they become very surprised. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing, singing, and all kinds of ecstatic mood manifested from his body also. That is called Romancha, Kompasru, Vaivarna. Understand? Romancha means he was standing on. Kompasru, his body start to shake. And so much tears rolling down. How long you will cry? Your tears? Nothing. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced, and tears rolling down, and as like that, tears spread, if you take the one syringe, syringe, and everybody completely what?
Drenched.
Wept.
Wet.
So,
So
big
wet,
giant.
yeah, drenched.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Drenched.
Soaked.
Wet.
Let's go with
This is it. Chaitanya Charitamrita explain this. This is not the possible of the human being. Look this. How long you can and cry and shedding your tear? Some people they are pretending and crying, saying, actually this is the pretending. This is not the prem. Babaji Sampradaya, you can see when they speak Hari Katha, Gopi Katha, separation. Then after Katha, then how, I don't know what they are doing. This is not the prem. Prem manifested oneself, that's another simple. Kantra Pratakalatam Bhakti Mana Sunnata Asa Bandhu Samut Kanta Nama Gane Sadaruchi Asakti the Gnanu Kanapitita Vasati Stali Ittarjo Surajata Bhavankurejane. The sprout of Prem, that you have, just little bit Prem manifested one's heart, that you got to have, then the 9 external symptoms will come. Then 3 internal symptoms. One day I will explain this. So don't you think that one tears rolling down from his eyes, that means a Prem manifested in his heart. This is not true. Pretending. Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada in his purport, Chaitanya Charitamrita explain this. Those who have no knowledge about the Prem and not reading Shastra, no Sadhu Sangha, they think, oh, Prem manifested, look down. Are Prem manifested one's heart, he cannot tolerate. He have to give up his body. But marta hi nahi hai. Zinda rehta hai. But is not dying. Still you are doing how. But why I am saying? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he danced, all kinds of statics symptoms manifest. Then everybody surprised. And especially that night, and Trimalla Bhatta, Venkat Bhatta, and Prabodhananda Saraswati, they came. First they were the, what is called, belongs to the Sri Sampradaya, understand? They worship Lakshmi Narayan, Sri Sampradaya, Ramanuja Sampradaya, understand? But when they saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's this type of ecstatic mood, and how he's chanting holy names, everybody completely what? Intoxicated with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Nam Sankirtan. In this way, every day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dance and chanting holy names in front of, what is it called? Rangana. And that time they also called to him, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please stay in our house. And that time also rainy season, understand? And 4 months coming, that is called Chaturmasha, 4 months. 4 months, understand? Chaturmasha is coming. And that time generally sadhus, they are not traveling. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 4 months he was staying in their house. And every day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu talked very nice, beautiful Hari Katha. Taja Hari Katha Gurudev told. What do you mean Taja? Very fresh Hari Katha. What the fresh Hari Katha? Just Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Raya Ramananda. I think tomorrow will be Raya Ramananda Katha is coming. Understand? Very important. In our Chaitanya Charitamrita, Raya Ramananda Katha, this is the heart of Chaitanya Charitamrita. If you not listen Chaitanya Charitamrita's Raya Ramananda Katha, the conversation of Lord Chaitanya Ramananda, that means you miss everything. You have to read, you have to listen. What Katha? Raya Ramananda Katha. The conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Raya Ramananda. And Gurudev told, this is not me. And Gurudev told this thing. Especially Raya Ramananda Katha, and Sanatana Siksha, Rupa Siksha, and also Ratha Jatra. This Katha Prasanga is very important. But especially Gurudev told, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, you have to listen Raya Ramananda Sambhad. For this regard, Gurudev manifested a very nice, beautiful book. That is called
Origins of Rath Yatra.
Raya Ramananda Sambhad. Also, Origin Ratha Yatra. This is also. Most of the time, Gurudev also discuss this thing because very nice, beautiful Tattva Siddhanta. And Rupa Goswami path, then Rupa Siksha also is important. Sanatana Siksha, Rupa Siksha. This is very important also. As like Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, Pancha Pran. That means 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam, 29th chapter to 33 chapter. That is called Pancha Pran Katha. 5? Life here. In the same way, in this Chaitanya Charitamrita, Gurudev told, Raya Ramananda Katha is very important. Raya Ramananda Katha, Ratha Yatra Prasanga, the origin Ratha Yatra, Gurudev manifested for this book. Rupa Siksha, the teaching of Rupa Goswami. These things also very important. So now coming in this way, why is it? Because tomorrow we have to glorify about Ramananda. Tomorrow is what? His appearance or disappearance?
Thursday. Thursday.
Also Thursday. Oh, no problem. We have to start before. Then you can finish Thursday. That's very important. And we are qualified or unqualified. This is not our subject. You think, oh, some people are thinking, oh, I am not qualified. So how possible we read high class katha? Are you are always low class. Where is the high class? How you will become high class? You read
High class, high class literature.
literature, then you become high class. If you not read, if you not associate sadhu, how will become
Sadhu.
high class? Sometimes people go, no, I don't want to touch this katha. I don't want to listen because I am very regretted. Are you are regretted? This is true. If you listen, if you associate sadhu, then you will become
Elevated.
Huh?
Elevated. Upgrade.
Yeah, this is true. Upgrade how to do? Even as sadhu listen Harikatha. Yes, this is neat also. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very nicely glorified this Katha Radhunda Sangvat. So just like, because I am saying Gurudev Katha, Gurudev told, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in the house of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. That time Gopal Bhatta Goswami was a very small boy, maybe 5 or 6 years old. Bhakti Ratnakar also very nicely glorified about Gopal Bhatta Goswami's Katha also in there. What Grantha? Bhakti Ratnakar Grantha. You read this also. So now I am coming in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in the house of Venkat Bhatta, Timalla Bhatta and Prabhupada Saraswati. That time Gopal Bhatta Goswami was very small boy, maybe 6 or 7 years old. His father name Venkat Bhatta. Understand? And his uncle Prabhudananda, Saraswati and Trimalla Bhatta. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, every day he discussed this katha, taja katha, fresh katha of Radhamanda Sangvad. This katha again, Bhakti Tattva, Prem Tattva, Rasa Tattva, Jeev Tattva, Maya Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, all Tattva katha. And especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told about how Srimati Radhika's highest mood. Radha Tattva katha is everything. For this regard, later Prabhudananda Saraswati Pad, he wrote one grantha, only the glorification of Srimati Radhika. What is the grantha's name? Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi. Very sweet grantha. If you not read Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi, so how do you know about your Ishtadev? Who is your Ishtadev? Ishtadev means who is your worshipful deity? Who is your worshipful? Krishna is not our worshipful deity. Who is our worshipful deity? Srimati Radhika. Actually, this is true. So if you never listen or never read about your Ishtadev Katha, how do you know? This is true or not? You have to read Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi. You saying, oh, I am unqualified. Are you unqualified? Then you qualified. You do bhajan and sadhan. Then you will be qualified. So now coming in this way. Why I am saying? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 4 months, he talked about these types of katha very well. All Radhamanda Sangvad katha he told. For this regard, Gurudev used this word, taja katha. Because just Chaitanya Mahaprabhu coming from Ramananda Godavari. How Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discussed with Ramananda this katha. Same katha Gurudev. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told to Ramananda. Gopal, Venkat Bhatta, Trimalla Bhatta and Prabhudananda Saraswati. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and Bhagavan. Srimad Bhagavatam very clearly explained, Ete Changsa Kalapangsa, Krishnastu Bhagavan. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established how Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And especially the Sri Sampradayas, they are thinking, Narayanastu Bhagavan Sam. Narayan is the supreme. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established, no, Narayan is the incarnation of Krishna. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu quoted many verses from different scriptures, and especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu quoted the verses from Brahma Samhita. Isara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. You must read two books. One is Rasa Grantha, another is called Tattva Siddhanta Grantha. Tattva Siddhanta Grantha, that is called Brahma Samhita. Understand? Sometimes when you are preaching, and sometimes Panditas, they say, what is Brahma Samhita? We never heard this Grantha. We never heard about the name of Brahma Samhita. Then we saw him, the Gurudev manifested the Brahma Samhita. Look this. Then become very surprised. And when they read the slokas of Brahma Samhita, they surprised how this beautiful Grantha. All Tattva Siddhanta is there. Isara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. Ramadi Murti Sukalani Manatishtan Nanavataro Makrod Bhuvanesu Kintu Krishna Sangs Paramavata Parama Pumanaju Govindam Adi Purusang Tamahang Bhajami Govindam Adi Purusang Tamahang Bhajami. I'm saying because when you travel and meet with the people, they also become very surprised. They want to read this Grantha, Brahma Samhita. Tattva Siddhanta, everything is there. So Brahma Samhita, that is called Tattva Siddhanta Grantha. All the conception of the scriptures, Tattva Siddhanta. And another Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested their Grantha, that is called Shri Krishna Karnamrita Grantha. And recited by Bilamangal Thakur. Then Prabhudananda Saraswati Pad, he also manifested the glorification of Srimati Radhika, and that book's name is called Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi. This thing. Even Babaji Sampradaya, Aja Sampradaya, and different Sampradaya, they think, oh, this is our Sampraday's Grantha. Look. Grantha is a, original Grantha is what? Prabhudananda Saraswati Pad. Even over Vrindavan and different Sampradayas, they also quarreling. Oh, this Grantha belongs to our Sampradayas. Look at this. Because Radha Rasudhanidhi, only glorification Srimati Radhika. Radha Meri Samini, Main Radhin ko Das, Janam Janam Mui Diyo, Vrindavan ko Vas. Srimati Radhika, she is my mistress. Hey Srimati Radhika, life after life, birth after birth. You just take birth in Brighton. Vrindavan. वृंदावन को वृक्ष को मरम न जाने कोई डाल डालर पात पात में राधे राधे. All the trees of Vrindavan, what they are singing? Bolo Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe. So now coming in this, why I'm singing? Because Radha Rasudhanidhi Grantha. Actually, this Grantha belongs to Gaudiya Sampradaya. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inspired in the heart of Prabhudananda Saraswati Pad. And they completely, absolutely surrendered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Before they were Sri Sampradayas. Worshipped Lakshmi Narayan. Or when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discussed the highest philosophy and Tattva Siddhanta, Rasa Siddhanta, and that time they coming in our Gaudiya Sampradaya. And so Radha Rasa Siddhanidhi, this Grantha actually belongs to Gaudiya Sampradayas, not others. So now coming in this way, just I will return back to when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in the house of Trimala Bhatta, Venkat Bhatta and Prabhudananda Saraswati Pad. That time Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he was very small boy. So he every day he served to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yeah, Bhakti Ratnakar Grantha very nicely explain how Gopal Bhatta Goswami served to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go take rest, sleep, then Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he massaged his lotus feet. And so much love and affection with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. After 4 months, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I have to leave this place. Then Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he cried. He told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, I have to go with you. Who will go with me? Pundarikaksha. No one go. Ramananda. No one go. Try.
We try.
Okay. So,
Say yes.
so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that time told Gopal, keep patient, don't worry. You stay in your house and serve Vaishnava Seva. And especially your parents, they are Vaishnava. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Vaishnava Seva and Nam Sankirtan. Try to understand what is the teaching of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Prabhu kahe Vaishnav Seva Nam Sankirtan Dui karo Sigra Pave Govinda Charan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, everybody serve to Vaishnav and
Chant holy name.
chant holy names. Vaishnav Seva Nam Sankirtan. And Prabhu kahe Vaishnav Seva. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Gopal, your parents, they are also Vaishnav. Your parents, your uncle, they are Vaishnav. So Vaishnav Seva. And chant holy names. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, one thing he told Gopal, you should not marry. Vivah mat karna. Understand? विवाह कर तो क्या हो जाएगा? शादी क्या कर देता है? बर्बादी हो जाता है. Understand? No. बोलो क्या बोला?
If you marry, you will be ruined.
शादी बर्बादी हो जाएगा, जीवन नष्ट हो जाएगा. हाँ? Who is happy? Crazy person, I am happy with my marriage life. Actually, you are not happy. You are crazy. How possible? Hare Prahlad Maharaj told, Tat sadhu manne asura varja dehinam sada samud vigna dhyam asat ghat. Hitvatva padam griham dakupan vanang gato jat harimas life. This household life is as like deep dark, waterless well. No water, nothing. You cannot drink one drop of water. You are saying this, Prahlad Maharaj is saying, I am not saying. But sometimes saying not all household is not, what is it called?
Waterless.
Andakopa. Andakopa there.
Grihastha. Grihamedi.
One is called Grihamedi, one is called Grihastha. Grihastha means household life, this is good also. If your wife, sons, daughter, one pointed with the Krishna doing bhajan and sadhan, that household life is called, what is it called? Golok Vrindavan. So don't you think I am criticized to householder. Two kinds of householder. One is called Grihamedi or one is called Grihastha. If you are a Grihastha householder, perfect householder, then your household life is called, what is called?
Grihastha.
Golok Vrindavan. Golok Vrindavan. Jedina griye bhajan dekhi. Griye te golok bhai. Charana Sindhu Dikhya Ganga Sukhna Sima Pai. One who performs bhajan and sadhan with his wife, children, has everything. Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava is coming, doing bhajan and sadhan. That house is called? What is it called?
Golok Vrindavan.
Pundarik's house, Golok Vrindavan. Good. Understand? Or if your wife going another way, you are going another way, daughter going another way, or her sons going another way. One is going pop, another is going pop, another is going top. That house is called is what? That is called Andhakopa. Our scripture, Srimad Bhagavad, never criticize any perfect householder. And so many people. Actually, where we have come from? Where?
Grihastha, household.
Where have you come from?
Mother and father.
Mother and father. They have, so how possible criticize? Some people go, Gaudiya Vaishnava always criticize the householder. This is not true. Huh? You understand? Our Shastra saying this, no? That house is called Golok Vrindavan. And if your house very nice, beautiful, Thakurji, Guru Vaishnava is coming, we Hari Katha, and Grihastha means is also this thing. And Grihastha means is what? To serve Guru and Vaishnava. And Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained, if you are a householder, and if you serve to Guru and Vaishnava, Vaishnava Seva. And if you serve Guru and Vaishnava, then automatically anarthas remove from your heart. And that house is called Guru Vrindavan. Otherwise, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he told one story, just it. What is called? And Ami Vaishnav, Tumi Vaishnav, Ar Vaishnav, Hare, Tin Vaishnav Rate, Kathal Khabe Pare. You understand? Not understand. I tell to you, there's a Bengali proverbs. Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, in his nectar of instruction, explain. One householder, Grihastha, wife and husband, they're staying together. They took Diksha from one bona fide Guru. This is true. And they have also one son. Son's name? Kya bola? Hari. Son's name Hari. But householder, male person, what is called? Grihasthami.
Husband.
Husband. He's very generous. But his wife little bit conjuice. Conjuice, understand?
Stingy. Miser.
Stingy, Maya. And she does not like to serve Vaishnava. But don't you think I am telling to you? Maybe you thinking maybe my wife is stranger, I am generous. I don't know you. I am not going to have the situation. So don't you blame to me. Just I also speaking Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada story. If you read this book, you can understand. Just I. And so male person husband is very generous, but his wife is little bit. What is called? Miser. Stingy. She does not like to serve Vaishnava. She does not like to go to Vaishnava there. But sometimes, sometimes wife likes Vaishnava, husband does not like Vaishnava. Or sometimes you can see some household I see also. Husband like, but wife does not like. Or some also, both they are also. As like Pundarika nice. His wife also. Devotee. And son, what is her name? Pavitra Nitai, na kya naam? Pavitra. Not Pavitra. Pavitra. Good. Okay. So now coming, this is very just Prabhupada Katha I am telling to you. So husband, he went in the market and at that time of what is called and jackfruit season, you know. Especially in Bengal, jackfruit season. Brazil also very sweet. And you know that. When I used to go Brazil every day. Okay. So, but in Bengal, that is jackfruit season. And he went in the market. Then he bought one big jackfruit, maybe 10 or 15 kilo jackfruit. And very nice, beautiful, Bengal fruits.
Right, sweet.
And very sweet. He brought. But in his house, how many members? Could you remember? Are it 2.5? And husband and wife, one small boy. What is the boy name? Hari. So husband told his wife, listen, I brought this 10 or 15 kilo, these jackfruits. Or we are 2.5 person, so how possible we eat these things? It is better, and we have to offer to temple. And a little bit we can offer to Thakurji, and that we can take. Because this is called Vaishnava Seva. Guru Vaishnava always, Gurudev, he says, serve to Vaishnava, Vaishnava Seva. Vaishnava Seva, bina paiye che keva, kya bhul gaye. And without servicing to Vaishnava, you cannot to develop your bhajan and sadhana. Vaishnava chariya Vaishnava seva keva paye che nista. Just Bengali fire I followed. My Gurudev Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, most of the time, he uttered this Bengali verse. Without service to Vaishnava, you cannot to develop your bhajan and sadhana. Vaishnava seva nam sabhita. So for this regard husband, he told, hey, listen, this is 15 kilos jackfruits, or we are only 2.5. So we can give the temple. There are many Vaishnavas are there, many Vaishnavas are there. So in this way, we can serve Vaishnava Seva. Then wives, what did he say? Are we are 3 Vaishnava here. We are Vaishnava. Ami Vaishnava, Tumi Vaishnava. Wife, she told, I am Vaishnavi, Ami Vaishnava. Tumi Vaishnava means
You are
you are husband Vaishnava. And another Vaishnava is what?
Hari.
My son, Hari. Pavitra. Ami Vaishnava, Tui Vaishnava. Our Vaishnava, Hare. Three Vaishnava, Katal Kavai Pare. Why need to serve
Other way.
other Vaishnava? No need to give. Maybe you can put this jackfruits in where? In the fridge.
Yeah.
Maybe 10-15 days every day eating. No need to serve other Vaishnava. I said, this, you should not do this. You have to serve Vaishnava. So Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he told this story. Some people, their mind is very
Narrow-minded.
narrow-minded. No,
And
that's
not generous.
generous. So now coming in this, why am I saying? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Bhakti Ratnakara told, Bhakti Ratnakara Grantha explained, Mahaprabhu told, Gopal, you serve and Vaishnava. Because in your house, your parents, your, what is it called? Uncle.
Your father.
Father, mother, all they are Vaishnavas. So Vaishnava Seva. And another thing, you should not, Mahaprabhu direct, you should not marry. If you marry, then big problem will come. And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Gopal, you should not marry. But when your parents, they will be, departure,
Leave this world.
leave this world, then you will go Vrindavan and stay with Rup Sanatan and do bhajan and sadhana. So according to the instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he served his parents and do bhajan and sadhana. Then his parents left body. Then Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he came in Vrindavan. But on the way of Vrindavan, he traveled many pilgrimage places. Because he was born in south. And south there are so many pilgrimage places. There are many, what is called, holy rivers. But once, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he took bath in the holy rivers of Gandoki river. You know Gandoki river? One river, his name is called Gandoki river. Have you traveled to South India? No. You go South India, very nice, beautiful pilgrimage place. And 2 months I traveled. And all the, what is called, Mahaprabhu's footprints place. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Pada Tirtha place. Very nice, beautiful. 2 months I was staying. And so all the footprint in
Impressions.
footprints of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's. So in this way, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he traveled all the pilgrimage places in South India. Then one day, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he was taking bath in the holy river that is called Gandoki river. And actually all the Salagram Sila, Thakurji, Salagram Sila, actually coming from where? Mainly all Salagram Sila is coming from Gandoki river. Lord, that is called Narayan Sila. So one day, midday, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he was taking bath in the Gandoki river. Then suddenly, one big Salagram Sila, like this, just came on his hand. Then Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he brought and worshipped Thakurji. Because Haribhakti Vilas also explained which Salagram belongs to what. Actually sign is there. Some Narayan Sila, some is called Kurma Sila, some also Nisingha Sila, same Salagram Sila, many names. According to the sign, then you can recognize this Salagram Sila belongs to this. Some Salagram Sila, Nisingha Salagram Sila. Nisingha Salagram Sila to worship, very, very dangerous. If you not properly serve Nisingha Salagram Sila, then big problem will come in your life. Very carefully. Understand? Then another called Damodar Sila also. Damodar Salagram Sila. That is you can see one very nice, beautiful, what is marks and white marks. And around the Salagram. That is called Naran. What is called?
Damodar Shila.
Damodar Salagram Sila is there. Nishinga Sila, Kurma Sila, and different. Shankha Chakra, Gada, Padma, different also. What is called? Prints on the Salagram Sila. So that Salagram Sila they coming in the hand of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he came in Vrindavan and he performed bhajan and sadhan, worship Thakurji. Salagram Sila is as like Rasgulla. You know, that is called the round figure. You understand? Rasgulla is how the figure?
Round.
Round figure.
Very nice.
Just offering tulasi and sandalwood paste, tulasi and chandan and oil. But at the time of, especially Braj, one very famous festival that is called Jhulan Jatra Festival. Jhulan Jatra, understand?
Swing festival.
Swing festival in Vrindavan, especially. And that time all Brajavasis, they also decorate Thakurji with different clothes and these things. Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he performed bhajan and sadhan in there. But that day, he went to the temple, saw all the Thakurjis decorated with very nice, beautiful clothes, these things. But his Thakurji as a Rasgulla, round figure, how to put the clothes and everything. Then little bit coming in his mind, if my Thakurji is very nice, beautiful form, as two hands, and eyes, nose, and hands, this thing, then I can dress Thakurji. Just his mind is coming. One night he was just chanting holy name and remembering. And then he went to collect his madhukari, you know, alms from the house of Brajavasi. Then when midday, when he returned back, begging his alms, madhukari, then he heard Thakurji, Salagram Sila, he heard, manifest a very nice, beautiful Tribhanga Lalit form, and Triband fold. And still the Salagram behind his back. Still the Thakurji. And Thakurji is very nice, beautiful, smiling face. Maybe you have seen many Thakurji deities and smiling face, but you cannot see Thakurji's teeth. But you can see Radharaman, Thakurji's two teeth also is there. Amazing. Those things. And very nice, beautiful. And why I'm saying, because this Thakurji direct manifested from Salagram. That is called self-manifested. No one, what is called? Carved. That is called Satsambhu, Sataspurta. And it's naturally Thakurji. And actual, why this come in the Thakurji? Actual Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he felt pang of separation from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And when he was chanting holy names and remembering to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Actual Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested in the form of Salagram Sila. That is called Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. Why you say? Because who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Actual Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is non-different from Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. That is called Radha Raman. If you go Vrindavan, you must take darshan three deities, Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. This is true. But if you not take darshan to Radha Raman, then your darshan will not complete. But if you not go to three temples, you have no time, no problem. But if you take darshan to Radha Raman, then
All three included.
Three darshan. So you must take darshan. Radha Raman, Bolo Radha Raman ki Jai. Jai Jai Shri Ram. We have to go back again, London. So I will not take time. Maybe tomorrow we will discuss this katha. Actually, then Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he manifested many granthas also. And especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed 6 Goswamis. And how many instructions of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? 4. And understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave the 4 instructions of our Goswamis. For the 4 instructions, Mahaprabhu told you have to manifest the Vigraha Prakash. Manifested all the Vigraha deities, especially manifested by Vajrana. That is a Vigraha Prakash. Second, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, they manifested the Vrindavan, Lupta Tirtha Uddhar. But because that time, after Krishna departed from this material world, there are many pilgrimage places, especially the pastime places of Krishna, they completely were covered. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to them, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, you have to manifest the Krishna's pastime places, Lupta Tirtha Uddhar. Second. And third, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you have to manifest all the granthas, basic important. Understand? Grantha. And another Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you manifest the Vidhi Marga and Rag Marga Bhakti Katha. Different. And also included Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, specially he gave instruction to Sanatana Goswami Pad, you manifest the one special grantha that is called Vaishnava Shuddha Sadachar Grantha. Understand? Good behavior of Vaishnava. If you want to become pure Vaishnava, you have to read that grantha, Shuddha Vaishnava Sadachar Grantha, that is called Haribhakti Vilas. Though Haribhakti Vilas manifested by Sanatana Goswami Pad, actual Haribhakti Vilas, all slokas collected by Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Because Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he was born in South India, and especially he associated with Sri Sampradayas and Vaishnavas, and they are very they are following all the rules and regulations. Very strict. For this regard, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he collect all the slokas of Shuddha Vaishnava behavior and he gave to Sanatana Goswami Pad. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad, he manifested this grantha that is called Haribhakti Vilas. And then Sanatana Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he wrote also others grantha also and many commentaries also. Maybe tomorrow we will discuss Gaur Preman Radha Raman ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Brajavasi, they are singing very nice, beautiful glorification of Radha Raman. याद है? गाओ. नहीं क्या बोले?
छवि
देखी राधा रमन की. गाओ एक.
बुक लेके
बुक कहाँ से लेकर गया?
है उसके बाद.
हाँ लिया. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत अच्छा गाना. Just 5 minutes. They do arati, prepare for arati. छवि देखी राधा रमन की, छवि देखी राधा रमन की. I love ग्रंथ कहाँ है?
राधा रमन की, राधा रमन.
He sings very nicely.
राधा रमन की, राधा रमन की, राधा रमन की, राधा रमन की, राधा रमन की. छवि देखी राधा रमन की, 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 राधा रमन करी लटकी मोती लगी लटकी छवि देखी राधा रमन की 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 चरणों में जिनके पदम विराजे चरणों में जिनके पदम विराजे नूपुर की धुन प्यारी नूपुर की धुन छवि देखी राधा रमन की 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 वृंदावन के कुंज गलिन में वृंदावन के कुंज गलिन में दधी की मटकी पटकी दधी की मटकी पटकी दासी की अभिलाष यही है अभिलाष यही है वृंदावन जाऊं तो अटकी वृंदावन जाऊं तो अटकी छवि देखी
निर्मल बिहारी जीव की जय श्री श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय वेदांत श्री महाराज की जय गुरुवर की जय हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय सवेद गौर भक्त वृंद की जय गौर प्रेमानंद हरि ओम वृंदावै तुलसी कोई प्रियाय कृष्ण भक्ति प्रणयेमि सत्यवच्चै नमो नमः वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः
भाई सब ठीक है?
हाँ स्वीट्स to distribute.
ईश्वर से बांट दो
Is
सब।
anybody vegan? I know he's vegan.
Yeah.
Anyone vegan?
Yes, I am.
There you go. You were.
Oh no. You told me. You said it was vegan.
So there you go.
How are you? Okay, good. Thank you, Didi. आपने वो किताब लाया कि नहीं?
किताब भूल गई घर पे।
घर पे भूल गए।
आपको चाहिए तो कल बेच सकती हूँ। चाहिए?
आप देखते हो कौन कौन किताब है आपके पास? देखना पड़ेगा। दिखा
आपकी पहली किताब है।
Did everybody get a sweet? Lalit Prabhu, did you get a sweet?
हरि बोल, प्लीज कम।
Come Lalit Prabhu, Jagannath Prabhu.
यूट्यूब पर बोल, हरि बोल। Happy day sweets.
Yes, come to get your sweet.
Whose is this? Whose live stream?
Oh, who did not take? Only one minute. Me. Good one.
Hari Bol.
Do you think that we can take a group picture?
Or good picture.
Jagannath Prabhu, Janardhan Prabhu, can you take a group picture?
Photographic evidence.
Go closer to Maharaj, please. Go closer to Maharaj. Go quick. Group picture. Take a picture.
That's not gonna fit in there.
Yes, it's gonna fit. Come on.
When you actually go to the toilet. Sorry, it's not live on stuff.
Quickly, please.
Quick.
Don't close the door.
Yamuna Didi, why don't you sit there and I'll take a picture.
Janardhan Prabhu will take a picture. Huh? You go also? Hey, Jai Shri Radhe. Ki Jai. Shira Bhakti Vedanta Vana Goswami Maharaj Ki Jai. Shira Gurudev Ki Jai.
Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai.
Ki Jai.
Anyone get Tarun?
Hari Bol.